The Urmet IPerCom system is an IP door entry system which can facilitate both audio and video calls over a dedicated or managed IP network. Installing IPerCom is quick and simple, as no server or specialist network knowledge is required. Simply connect to the network by plugging the IP cable into the entry panels and monitors. To configure IPerCom, you use the IPerCom installer tool. This software manages every step of the system configuration, from auto-detecting MAC addresses and system updates to diagnostics and maintenance. The installer tool even allows you to configure your system offline. IPerCom is fully scalable, with the potential to manage up to 4,000 IP devices and 10,000 users on one system, making IPerCom ideal for single and multi-block residential developments. IPerCom offers the latest in encrypted communication security to prevent system hacking, whilst also offering advanced system features such as license-free call forwarding to a resident's smartphone and access control integration. Simple to configure, fully scalable, and offering the latest security and system features, IPerCom simplifies your IP system.